Hi, my name is Dewa Ngakan Ketut Mshardika Taman Bali. You can call me Aditya. Today I want to explain about Industry 5.0. Check it out. Ready or not, Industry 5.0 is here. While many manufacturers are still busy developing methods for interconnecting new technology to improve efficiency and productivity, the building principle behind Industry 4.0. The next phase of industrialization is already upon us. But Industry 5.0 is not akin to spinal tap Nigel Tufnell explaining that his guitar amplifier is louder than standard model because this one goes to 11. It's much more than simply bumping up industrialization one click finger on the dial. It's the next step in the evolution of manufacturing. To grasp the full picture of Industry 5.0 and implication, one must first understand how the initiative is defined. First, what is Industry 5.0? The term Industry 5.0 refers to people working alongside robots and smart machines. It's about robots helping humans work better and faster by leveraging advanced technology like the Internet of Things or IoT and big data. It adds a personal human touch the Industry 4.0 pillars of automation and efficiency. In manufacturing environment, robots have historically performed dangerous, monotone or physically demanding work, such as welding and painting in car factory and loading and unloading heavy materials in warehouse. As machine is the workplace gets smarter and more connected, Industry 5.0 is aimed at merging those connective computing capabilities with human intelligence and resurveillance in collaborative operation. The Danish company Universal Robots staked its claim as the first provider of industrial robots that work safely and effectively alongside humans. Whereas industrial robots have traditionally operated separately from works and behind safety cage, the company robots were first developed alongside human worksite in 2008 at Linatex, a supplier of technical plastic and rubber for industrial application. The pairing of human of machine works open the door to countless opportunities in manufacturing, and since the use case of Industry 5.0 are still in their relative infancy, manufacturers should be actively strategizing ways to integrate human and machine works in order to maximize the unique benefits that can be repeated as the movement continues to evolve. And the second essential facts about Industry 5.0. To be prepared for Industry 5.0 and its impact, there are the three key elements of the initiatives that you must understand. And the third, Industry 5.0 is aimed at supporting, not superseding human. Don't mistake the upsurge in robotics as an opportunity to eliminate head count and replace workers who perform repetitive tasks on assembly lines. Manufacturers who understand the value of human intuition and problem-solving capabilities are positioning themselves to drive. People often think of manufacturing works as actually a poor substitute for a robot. Susan Helper, an economist at Case Western Reserve University, told the New York Times, but in practice, these things are really difficult, and the assembly line work is making judgment a lot, and it turns Although when you take the person away, you end up with some problems that are to solve. Even Tesla CEO Elon Musk admitted that excessive automation at his company weighs a mistake, tweeting that humans are underrated. While robots are much more consistent than humans and better at precision work, they are inflexible and incapable of the capability and critical thinking that define us as human. Working together with people, robots can fulfill their designed purpose of providing assistance and make our life better. Universal Robot used the term robots for collaborative robots to emphasize the importance of people in robotic technology. Industry 5.0 will make the factory a place where creative people can come and work to create a more personalized and human experience for workers and their customers. Said as Ben Stergrade, Universal Robots Chief Technology Officer and co-founder, in an article published on Enterprise IoT Insight. And the fourth, Industry 5.0 is about finding the optimal balance of efficiency and productivity. The objective of Industry 4.0 is to interconnect machine, process, and system for maximum performance optimization. Industry 5.0 takes such efficiency and productivity a step further. It's about refining the collaborative interaction between humans and machines. KUKA, one of the world's leading suppliers of intelligent automation solutions, is a finding that the first business sector, from the automotive industry to timber construction companies, are benefit from the principle and product engineered by Industry 5.0, but their gains haven't been achieved without some initial hesitation. Employees at Muller Blation, a timber construction firm that has teamed with KUKA on Industry 5.0 related invitations, at first were skeptical about using robots that could potentially take their jobs away. According to the company managing director, Reinhold Muller. But thus fears faded once efficiency advantage become evident. In production operation, they realize that the robots relieve them of physically demanding work and they can concentrate on their other tasks. Muller said, craftsmanship and robotics complement each other ideally here. Roger Corporation, a manufacturer of specialty materials used in consumer and electronic products, is another company that evaluates the upside of Industry 5.0. The manufacturer report its capability to dramatically improve efficiency by integrating robots into its manufacturing process. The company website touts a variety of robotics applications, include on the fixture a robot performing a task while a camera system records visual data. Using this system, it's possible for a worker to complete several tasks on time via robots, and if the camera notes any visual descriptions, the worker is noted so concurrency can be made. Industry 5.0 requires that man and machine must be interconnected to meet the manufacturing complexity of the feature in that link with increasing customization through an optimized robotics manufacturing process, said Mark Beckwith, Vice President of Global Operations at Rogers. And the five, the progress of Industry 5.0 is unavoidable. Once you have used technology to make a process more efficiently, there's no point in reverting to the old way of doing things. It's why we use computer with word processing software in the state of typewriters. Similarly, Industry 5.0 is the manufacturing world's even horizon given the efficiency that can be gained. We are well past the point of going back. The European Economic Social Committee, or AASC, summit is up best. The Federation of Robotic Automation in inevitable, recognizing that Europe trails the United States and China in advancing technologies such as artificial intelligence or AI. The European Union (EU), a consultative body, has called for acceleration of all AI and robotics development in the region. The EU should embrace digitalization wholeheartedly for the sake of consumer, manufacturers, and employees alike, it said. While Industry 5.0 headway can be stalled, there are still essential questions and ramifications that must addressed by manufacturers and policy makers. Active automation, for instance, is an issue about which the authors of research paper recently published in Omics have expressed concern, and their appraisal appear to mirror a attitude shift of innovators like Mas was once aggressive approach to automation have since toned down. Highly integrated systems are vulnerable to systemic risks such as total network collapse, according to the paper. Extremely, connectivity creates new social and political structure. It left unchecked, they might lead to authoritarian governments. Engaging with this and the many other challenges and opportunities Industry 5.0 invariably brings will require planning and preparation commensurate with each manufacturer need expected outcomes. It's not a question of whether a manufacturer can benefit from its personnel working alongside robots, but how they can be leverage new technology to drive optimal outcomes from human or machine integration. I think is that what I want to say. Thank you.